Let's see about PWD command. PWD stands for print working directory or present working directory. If you want to know in which directory your control is in, then you have to issue PWD command. Currently, I am at Py directory. If you want to change the directory or if you want to change the control into some other directory, then issue change directory command, that is cd command. I am issuing cd space slash command. So slash means root directory. Currently I am at root directory. If you want to see the contents of root directory, then issue ls command. Root directory has bin directory, etc directory, boot directory, lib directory, media directory, home directory, root directory, usr directory, var directory. All directories are available at root directory. So I want to move to home directory. So I am issuing command as cd space home. Issue command pwd. Right now I am at home directory. I want to see the contents of home directory. So I am issuing ls command. Home directory has py directory. So I am issuing cd space py. Now I am at py directory. I want to see the contents of py directory, then I am issuing ls command. Py directory has desktop directory, documents, downloads, pictures and videos directories. If you want to go to desktop directory, then issue cd desktop. Then currently you are at desktop directory. So if you see this file organization, desktop is child directory of py directory is child directory of home directory is child directory of root directory. Otherwise, root directory is parent directory of home is parent of py is parent of desktop directory. So if you want to move to your parent directory, then issue command as cd space dot dot. Now you are at py directory. So you can give whole path, then you can move to any directory. I want to move to media directory. I am issuing cd space slash media. Currently I am at media directory. Thank you.